Last time, we considered only David as a customer of the restaurant. Now, we would like to increase the number of customers, for example, David, Robert, and James. We will consider the same code and will observe how do we need to change the code to calculate individual customer cost. Here we can see the price of each item. And individual customer costs. Customer name. Individual customer costs. Let's go to Jupyter Notebook. Last time, we considered only 2 burgers to calculate David cost. But now we would like to add 1 coffee in David's breakfast. For this, where do we need to change? We need to add 1 coffee here. So we should write 1 times self.coffee here. Here, we also need to write self.coffee equal coffee. Here we need to write comma then coffee. Now hit the run. There is an error message. Actually, we did not include the price of a coffee. So, we have to write the price of a coffee here. The price of a coffee is $4. So, we have to write comma then 4 here. The total cost of David is $14. Now, we would like to include the Robert's calculation inside the code. First, we can copy David's part from the code and then paste below. We should replace David with Robert. David cost with Robert cost. David with Robert. David cost with Robert cost. We have to write 3 times self.burger. Plus 2 times self.water. Here we need to write self.water equal water. Add comma then water. Now hit the run. You can see there is an error message. Actually, we did not provide the price of water. So, here we need to include the price of water. The price of water is $2. So, we have to write comma then 2 here. Now hit the run. There is no error message, but Robert's cost is not printed here. So, we can copy this code and paste below. Then replace David with Robert. Hit the run again. Now, you can see Robert's cost is coming here. Now, similarly, we can calculate James' cost. So, we have to copy Robert's part of the code and paste below. Robert replace with James. Robert cost replace with James cost. Robert replace with James. Here we have to write 1 times self.sandwich. Here self.sandwich equals sandwich. Here add comma then sandwich. Plus 2 times self.coffee. You can see self.coffee is already here, and also coffee here. So, we do not need to include them again. Now hit the run. There is an error message. Actually, we did not include the price of sandwich. So, we have to include the price of sandwich here. The price of sandwich is $8. So, these places we need to write 8 and hit the run. You can see that David and Robert's costs are printed. Now, we can copy this code and paste below. And replace Robert with James. Now hit the run. We can see James' cost is printed here.